take a look at this circuit. This is a circuit with a voltage source. So this is the voltage source. There is a essential node at the left and the right sides of the voltage source. There will be two types of circuit that will be exist in the nodal circuit. So this is the first types, and then this is the second type. If the circuit look like the first type, you can see that there is a ground either at the left or the right sides of the voltage source. For this one, no need to do the KCL for this node. As you can see that the voltage is already known. So here, the voltage is V1. So no need to find the voltage at that node. For the second circuit, which is here, you can see that there is a voltage at the left and the right of the voltage source. So there is a branch here and here. You cannot find the currents that flowing through the voltage source by using the Ohm's law. This Vs could also be dependent source. This can also be a supernode. What is supernode? Group the two nodes that enclose the voltage source to form a supernode. So, a supernode is treated as though it is a single node when applying a KCL. As you can see here, this is some example of the circuit. So, what is supernode and why? Referring to this circuit, as you can see that the supernode must be look like this one. There is some branch here. So if you can see in the circuit, the supernode is here. There is this branch that is exit from the nodes. Before you are determines equation for the nodal, first is you have to identify the numbers of node and then calculates the amounts of branch for each node and then determines or identifies is it in the circuit that consists of only voltage source in one branch. As you can see here, there is no resistor for this branch. Yeah. In order to identify the numbers of equations in the nodes, you have to identify how many essential nodes. You have to choose one node as a ground. How many nodes left? And then assign node voltage by V1, V2, and so on. Is it any supernode exists? If yes, group the nodes. And then lastly, do the KCL equation. Supernodes is, there is a KCL at the supernodes. There is a supernode equation and then combines with the two nodes. For example, the total nodes is 3 and you select one of the node as a ground, so there will be 2 nodes left. And then for the supernode, the 2 nodes minus with the supernode and then plus with the 1 for the supernode equation, then the amounts of the node or equation will be 2. So, for the 2 nodes, The equation for the circuit will be the KCL at supernodes and the supernode equation.